what we're going to do here to get the cable out from here, let's just undo this one here and then take these two out as well. Alright, to get this out, if it doesn't want to just pull off this little top, we're just going to use a set of cutters and just cut the little cable right at the end. Then it can just pull straight out and you can put it straight back. So that one's out. Now to take the forks out, all you need to do is take these big nuts off up here. So the first one there, that's just a locking nut. Now this is the one that holds it there. And that's the fork set out. Now to put them back in, same process, we're just putting them back in. The bearing's still sitting at the top up here, and the bearing at the bottom down there. And then same thing, we just put this first nut on. So that's the one with the big rubber washer around it. Alright, now we're going to put our skinny little washer back on. Can only go on one way. And then we grab our big nut. We're going to put that back on. Now what you want to do is just tighten this one here, the very bottom one first, and then use that to lock it down. Now that's what gets rid of all the wobbles in the front of the forks. Now back down to the brake, we just run the cable back through. And we're going to hang our brake back up. Make sure to tighten all your bolts up. Now the cable, all we're going to do is just twist it with the way the cable runs. Put it back through the hole. Run that one through there. And then pretty much a matter of just readjusting your brakes and tightening up 1, 2 and 3 screws.